Start. The reasons which weighed with the learned judges were as follows. Stop. When the state acquires the property of a private citizen for a public purpose, it does so in the exercise of the right which it has by a reason of the principle of eminent domain. Stop. Therefore, in the context of Article 31 within bracket 2, under which challenge was raised to Section 3, the learned judges observed that they must be first satisfied that the legislation which they were considering acquired or took possession of the property belonging to the petitioner. Stop. They further observed that on analysis of the imposed legislation, the substance thereof was that the state directed the petitioner, who was the debtor of his employees, to pay to the state the debt due instead of paying it to his creditors. Stop. Therefore, in the opinion of the learned judges, no property of the petitioner was involved in the imposed legislation, and all that the law did was to substitute the creditor in place of another. Stop. They were of the opinion that the imposed legislation did not fall under Article 31. Stop. However, in the alternative, they observed that if the case fell under Article 31. Stop. There could be no doubt that the petitioner must succeed, because obviously no compensation was provided for acquisition or taking possession of the property of the petitioner. Stop. However, since the case did not fall under Article 31, the question of considering the challenge under the provision did not arise. Stop. The learned judges also felt inclined to consider whether, apart from Article 31, the state legislature was competent to enact the imposed legislation, and whether it contravened any fundamental right other than one specified in Article 31. Stop. Now, the legislative competence of the state legislature to enact the provision was not challenged. Stop. They also did not consider the question whether any right of the petitioner other than one specified in Article 31 was violated, because the petitioner had not raised any such challenge. Stop. On analysis of the imposed provisions, the learned Chief Justice observed that all that the legislature had done was to substitute one creditor in place of another, and that when one remembered that the monies were to be paid into a fund which was going to be administered for the welfare of labor and for most laudable objects, it was impossible to urge that the restriction placed by the legislature upon the right of the employer start, if he had any right in that case under Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket F, was not a reasonable restriction. Stop.